Some vendors in Highgate, St. Mary are counting their losses after a massive fire at the market early this morning. It's reported that the fire was caused by an electrical appliance that was left plugged in at the market. Shamela Pullen reports.
It took 25 firefighters to extinguish the blaze which engulfed the Highgate market in St. Mary. After the cooling down phase, all of the structures went up in flames. The St. Mary Fire Department said they received a telephone call approximately 4:40 Saturday morning.
We responded with 2 units initially. Based on what we observed, we called for additional units. And what we have here now is that the market is extensively destroyed. We managed to contain the fire to prevent it from spreading to adjoining premises.
The police have ruled out arson. Instead, Commanding Officer for the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson, says the fire was caused by an electrical appliance that was left plugged in at the market. Vendors are now counting their losses.
Everything went up. That there was screw me last year. I have my chemical shop in there, I say cylinder and something there. So I have to come down, fling out the cylinder them.
When I reached down here, it's only the gas and coal I could save.
Some vendors argued that picking up the pieces will be difficult. They need help.
From the last fire, nothing at all. Nothing. This one now, what we're gonna get? Nothing at all. We're tired of it now.
Hard to solar, but we have to start over.
In the meantime, Chairman of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation, Richard Creary, says discussions will start next week on the reconstruction of the market.
The structure has some level of insurance. I'm sure it would not be enough to reconstruct the market, but it can help. So, next week I'll be discussing with Minister Mackenzie the possibility of if there's any assistance that can come to the vendors, as well as, the process in order to rebuild it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.